point of view so we can see what's going on here. So, yeah, select your pylon. Just going to put it to one side. Or your pillar, pylon, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to give it some imperfections. So, let's go ahead and go to edit mode. And what you want to do is just select a couple of faces from this. Just take it off the X-ray mode. Just do them in bunches of 2s maybe, or 3s. Just select a few of them. Just going to go E. Keep it where it is. And then just scale it outwards. It's just going to give us some imperfections on our stuff right here. Okay, so right click, shade smooth. And now we can see that we've got all these lines coming down. If this thing's been set outside for a while, you're going to kind of get this kind of weird patterning going on with it. Because the rainwater is gonna hit the side of the petrol station or the gas station, and it's going to start to corrode certain aspects of it. So what we want to do is take this, we're going to Shift D, just duplicate it over, take both of these, selecting them both, and we're just going to go ahead, Shift D again, and just take it over again. So now we have essentially a table, so to speak. So what we're going to do for the floor right here, we're going to go add, and we're going to go plane. What we want to do is we want to make an ocean. So just type in ocean down here to your modifiers, and you'll see that you get this. So what you want to do is just scale it down just a little bit so that it's flat-ish. And what you'll notice when we go into render mode, nothing's happening, right? So what you're going to do, go to material, add new. You can do this with glass. Personally, maybe glass is good. You can do this with glass